Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing the YouTube video on laptop. This is my laptop. It's kind of slow, so it's kind of old, so sorry if it's slow. I'm trying to test if it's that slow. I kind of edited it to be not that slow, so it's okay right now. And sorry about it being faded too. I don't know what's the deal with that. This is like my first time using a webcam on a laptop to do videos, so congratulations to me, finally using better quality things for a video. Anyway, if you call this better quality. Anyway, I'm gonna be playing Google Feud, and I already did this, but I forgot to test if the sound even worked, so I had to stop, and I couldn't edit it because I don't have an editor on laptop. I use my editor on my tablet or phone to edit my YouTube videos, because I don't know, it's just easier for me for some reason. So I had to just stop it and test again instead of taking the risk of doing the whole video without any sound. So Google Feud, it's what people answer the most. I'm on round 2 out of 3 of questions, and I left on the YouTube channel because it was relevant. I have 4 guesses left, so I only guess once. Because we have 5 guesses to get it wrong, and and that one's right, so yeah. Should I start to use? Oh no, I put in to use. Should I start anime? Start watching. Oh, that just puts a whole new thing to the table. What I can put in. Start watching anime. Okay. Let me just say something to y'all. I watch anime. Don't ask. Don't call me weird in the comments. I watch anime, but I don't know how to spell it. I'm pretty sure I don't know how to spell that. No. Yeah, anime. Yeah, that's how you spell anime. I just didn't know off of my head. I just had to look at it. When I look at words, I can tell if they're spelled right. Which, if I spelled it wrong right now, would be a huge disappointment. So I'm pretty sure that's how you spell it. Dang it. So that's the whole. That was a whole tangent about anime. Leave some good anime in the comments below if you watch anime. I haven't watched. I watched Death Note until L died, and then I stopped watching. I'm watching Naruto right now, and I'm watching One Punch Man, so don't comment then. But yeah, put something in the comments below about that. That was the whole thing about anime and a video about Google Feud. That's always what my videos go to. They start coming into something else for some reason. So yeah. Should I start? I don't know, so I'm going to TikTok. There's 2 ones that had TikTok in it once before. Okay, should I start? Animation. Okay, animation. Change it. Should I start? I'm not very good at this. I've played this game a lot before this video, but I'm not really good at it still. Should I start? Should I start? I can't say YouTube. I wanted to keep on saying YouTube. Of course, this is how it starts off. So it's really stupid. So, should I start cheating? Okay, should I start a blog? Investing now, my own business, drinking coffee, a podcast, a business. Well, I'm kind of stupid. I should have put like a blog or something. Should I start a podcast? Yeah, that would be smart. Okay, next one. Why why did they cancel? I kind of have things that people would know, that would people want to know, because the season of basketball because of the coronavirus. Stay safe, guys, from corona. Yeah, hope y'all are all staying safe and quarantined. The season cannot spell for my own life. Or oh my gosh, I cannot spell. I'm just going with season like this because misspells they usually do anyway. This would be a lot to type in probably, so I don't know. Fast. Of course, I'm one of those kids who first thought of basketball, and I first heard of basketball being canceled before anything else. I'm just one of those kids that know the whole season of basketball canceled before that. Why did they cancel school? I am so dumb. I cannot spell to save my life. Just kill me. I know I did not just try to spell school like that. Dang it. Why did they cancel? What did they cancel recently? Because this game updated pretty soon, I'm pretty sure. What did they cancel recently? That's not school and, what else? Cancel. Did they cancel? Why did they cancel, events? Maybe I'm being too, like one specific thing. Maybe I'm being too specific, like events. It's pretty broad. Dang it. Huh. Why did they cancel? Why are these questions first? Because that just sucks because now it's making me look like an idiot. Why did they cancel? Why did they cancel my job? I don't know. The ranch and start. Oh, shows. Oh, that's smart. Okay. Yeah, next. Okay, what should I do now? I'm not good at names, so I'm gonna do people. What's it like to be, Sean Bennett, and I'm just sad all your life for no reason at all. That was very dark, like really quickly. What's it like to be Justin Bieber, because I don't, okay, let me just get something straight. I don't like him, by the way, in any sort of way. I don't like the songs or something. For some reason, when I think of a celebrity, and I think of boy, I think of Justin Bieber. I don't know why. Because I don't know, like, any other ones. Okay, I'm probably just go with him now. I think I spelled it right. I don't know. Nope. What's it like to be Selena Gomez? Like I know how to spell that. Okay. What's it like to be, famous people, right? People. It's not has to be famous. Let's go with Shawn Mendes, my boy. I also don't really like his music. I just, he spells his name the same way as me, which a lot of people don't, so. Shawn Mendes. Dang it. What's it like to be famous? I ask that question every day. Again, that's not a person, so, huh. Okay, maybe I just suck at Google Feud. What's it like to be, sorry, a famous YouTuber? I also don't watch humor. No, I like TikTok. Really was on Bachelor, but colorblind on acid. You really want to know what it's like to do drugs on acid? Is that? What's it like to be a bat? Moment of silence for whoever put that. Okay, that was quick. Moment of silence. Dyslexic. Ask me. I'm pretty sure I'm dyslexic. In love. Haha, haha, ha. I don't have any girlfriend like me. Anyway, nothing. Single. What's it like to be bipolar? Ask my aunt. Okay, my aunt's gonna kill me for saying that. That was a joke. But she actually is. It's really sad. Kind of. No, she's mostly normal. In a coma. I meant to ask that myself. It's okay. I don't know. I'm answering the questions that other people ask. I'm trying. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Is it okay to eat raw eggs? Because I got a lot of questions that said that, and that was the first one. I don't know why. Is it okay to eat raw? Remember another one was haha! Sound of skin. Okay. Is it okay to eat? Another one was kiwi skin. Surprisingly not up there. Is it okay to eat? Paper. I'd be surprised if that was up there. Is it okay to eat? Huh. It might be another raw thing. Raw meat. Is it okay to eat? What was it last time? It was raw. I think one that was raw eggs and raw something. Raw beef, I'm pretty sure. Oops. Eggs every day. Brown avocado. Snow. Green potatoes. Romaine lettuce now. Raw potatoes. Okay, raw potato things. Expired yogurt. 1 meal a day. Is it okay to eat 1 meal a day? I'm pretty sure. If you don't know what that noise is, it's because, if you don't know this, then you're not a hardcore fan of Sean's Best Not Guy. I'm in the bathroom with my house because there's no other place in my house where I can do my stuff because other people are in every room almost. And I have to sit on the thing that goes up right here so I don't like fall through the toilet, and I'm not using the bathroom right now. So, that thing makes a lot of noise. So, yeah. Yeah, it sounds really annoying. So, expect that every time I move. Okay, how to raise a baby. Well, our people actually know how to raise them. How to raise, baby pigs. One, how to raise pigs in general. How to raise a dog. A doggo. Wait, should have spelled it dog instead of doggo. I think it would actually win in though still. How to raise. Why not a cat? Because obviously it's not up there, but whatever. Hand in How to raise.